Hey guys, I am super excited to film this video today because it's kind of unexpected. I didn't expect to buy this palette and want to do a tutorial the next day, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this, to be honest, because we will see how the look turns out. If you hear any background noises, that is my kittens. They're kind of wild. So it's Kai. She loves kisses. It's so pretty. So it comes with like this thing, but this is what it looks like. It is bomb. I'm so excited to use this. So I believe these middle colors are like glitter toppers, or like sparkle toppers, shimmer toppers, I don't know what you call them. And then this guy down here is an actual glitter, and then the rest are a mix between matte and shimmers. I'll show you guys up close. Alright, I'm going to go in with the shade Berry Good, which is a pink color, and then I'm going to use the M441 to do that. Right, so the next color that I'm going to go in with, I swear I'm going to wear this palette like every day, is called Make It Rain, which is super cute, but it's like R-E-I-G-N, Rain. And I'm going to take the JH40, which is similar to like the 506 and 507. I love this brush. I feel like everybody needs one in their life. So this color is going to go like directly into my crease under the pink, but I don't want it too much on the lid, because we're going to do a cut crease, like a half one, but I'm going to bring it in a little bit on the inner corner as well. This guy is just gonna go in here, and it's super important to like not bring this too far up, because it will, like wherever you place that pigment, it will transfer up because you still have to blend it. Now, keeping this in mind, because my eyes are hooded, I want the dark to go up a little bit further, just because the cut crease has to be seen while my eyes are open, and it'll make sense more when I do the actual cut crease. So then I'm gonna go back over after I place the color and just blend out the edges between the pink and the purple. I'm not adding any extra product, I'm just going back and blending. And then I'm gonna take the brush that I used for the pink and go over that with that brush as well. This just really helps blend everything seamlessly. Honestly, you guys, these are like literally so beyond pigmented and easy to blend. It's ridiculous. So I'm just going to use my Morphe concealer to do this, and the M421 to cut the crease. Actually, I might use a different one. I'm gonna go with the JH42 to cut my crease, but I'm going to use the M421 to pack the color after I'm done cutting my crease. And then the color that I'm going to use is called Periwinkle, which is super cute. I love periwinkle colors. I've actually been searching for one that's just like this, but I want it to be really pigmented, and of course they finally came out with it, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to do it while my eyes are open because that's the easiest way to do it. Alright, now I'm going to go in with that Periwinkle color. I'm going to take Making Bank, and that is going to go on my inner corner. So now I'm going to take the, what was it? That pink color that we used, Very Good. I'm going to take it on the JH40, and this is going to go underneath. Okay, I'm going to take the M432 and that Make It Rain color, and that is also going to go on my lower lash line. I'm actually going to take the shade Rocks On, and I'm going to use it as the eyeliner today. Guys, I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, but guys, this is my finished look. It's super weird because in my one, I have two viewfinders. So the one on my camera is showing like my face is really pink, but then the one on my phone is showing that I'm very yellow, and I'm very confused on what I actually look like. So the truer color is going to be like the yellow as far as like my eyeshadow goes. That shows a more truer color, but if it shows more pink, I'm very sorry. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. This is probably the best cut crease I have ever done. I'm super in love with how this turned out, and I'm so excited to use this palette more. I'm probably honestly going to use it like every day because it's literally perfection. Like, it's every like purple I've ever needed, and the blendability and the pigment of it is amazing. So I'm super excited for that. They're gonna have a hard time keeping up with it, I feel like, because this palette was just amazing. Like, it looks so good in pictures, but like in person it's just like so good. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and join the fam. We're almost at 100. I might be at 100 before I even post this. We'll see. But it's crazy. It's crazy to think that, like, I don't know. I've been doing YouTube since I was like 13, so, but I've never been like as consistent as I have been lately. So I've seen like my channel grow, my editing grow, my artistry grow, and it's just crazy how much growth has happened. But it's cool to be able to look back on things and see how much I've grown. I have so many good videos on this channel that you guys can check out. I will make sure I do a little ending slide or whatever it's called. Yeah, also the campaign for this eyeshadow palette was bomb. Like, I can't remember the girl's name, but she, oh my gosh, she looks so bomb, like to die for. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I can't wait for summer. I'm sure we're all excited. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.